Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate-dipped strawberries. First, select about 1 pound of fresh, ripe strawberries, washing them gently under cool water. It is crucial to dry each berry thoroughly with a paper towel. Any moisture will prevent the chocolate from sticking properly. Next, prepare your workspace by laying out parchment paper and gathering your favorite melting chocolate. Now, let's melt that delicious chocolate. Use a double boiler over simmering water or microwave it in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each. This gentle heat prevents scorching and ensures a silky smooth consistency. For an extra glossy finish and easier dipping, stir in about 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or a similar neutral oil. This small addition makes a big difference. With your chocolate perfectly melted, it's time to dip. Hold a strawberry by its stem and submerge it about 2/3 of the way into the warm chocolate. Gently twist and lift, allowing any excess chocolate to drip back into the bowl. Place each beautifully coated strawberry onto your prepared parchment paper. For a decorative touch, you can drizzle with a contrasting chocolate or add some colorful sprinkles before they set. Finally, let your chocolate-dipped masterpieces set. You can leave them at room temperature for about 30 minutes, or for a quicker set, place them in the refrigerator for approximately 15 minutes. Once firm, they are ready to enjoy. Store any remaining strawberries in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days to maintain their freshness and deliciousness.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.